Hey everyone, Joy here at Raptor. The FCC just released a series of major notices that directly impact the agricultural drone industry, and I want to explain what these updates mean for the future landscape. But first, the big picture. This is a multi-million-dollar industry. Drones treated over 16.4 million acres last season. It was a 60% growth in acreage covered year over year. This isn't a trend. It's vital infrastructure and essential farm equipment for crop protection. Now let's break down the FCC's back-to-back-to-back announcements. To keep it clean and simple, Notice A proposes to ban drones and critical components from specific foreign entities. Mainly, they're referencing most of these as DJI clones or white labels by other manufacturers, like the T60X and the Lino Dynamics LD220. Also listed is XAG. Notice B, again, proposes to ban the import and sale of foreign-produced military-grade drones, which is spray drones and critical components. This would include DJI, XAG, EA Vision, Vector, Talos, and Lino, and any other foreign-made white-labeled drones. If you're operating these drones, you're fine, but you will see sellers offloading these models, like the recent sale on the T60X. Quick note for Vector HD 580 owners, stay tuned for Brian's video dropping next. Notice C. Then the FCC announces that conditional approvals for certain manufacturers now remain effective indefinitely so they can continue their onshoring production. This includes Series Air, Elevon, ABZ, and Exity. Here's 3 things every custom applicator and grower need to know right now. First, this is just what's proposed. It's not the final thing yet, and it will be open to public feedback, so please voice your comments. Second, your existing equipment is protected. The FCC explicitly stated that the continued use of your current gear is not going to be impacted by these changes. And third, future purchases will shift. Yes, things are changing. This has been the plan for a long time. And most of us actually do want to support the American industry in this. Of course, there's a ramp-up period. It's going to take time. But this is aligning with what most of us ultimately want the end result to be. We just don't want to sacrifice it with cost, availability, and features. So this is moving towards that direction. And here's the bottom line. Don't panic. Be strategic. This is just telling us what's coming next. So plan your sales and your purchases accordingly. And make sure to follow our page. Next, we're dropping an in-depth video of the path forward and how operators can best plan to protect themselves and your spraying operations. As a quick recap, this is a list of the foreign brands impacted: XAG, DJI, EA Vision, Vector, Talos, Lino, and any other white-labeled drones. And brands not impacted: certain indefinite conditional approvals like Series Air, Elevon, ABZ, and Exity. And stay tuned for more product news from Series and smaller drones like the HD 580. Add your thoughts or questions in the comments below, forward this to your fellow applicators, and stay tuned as Raptor keeps tracking it. Since 2009, we've stayed ahead of the regulatory curves to keep you flying. If you need help navigating your fleet options, give our team a call at 309-361-7656. Fly safe.